Hello guys and welcome. In this video today you are going to learn how you can make round 1 decisions in your CAPSIM simulation. So the first step that you'll do is go into the report. So our first product is able, and it is in the traditional market segment. If you look at the traditional customer buying criteria, age is more important with an importance of 47%, price 23%, ideal position is 21%, reliability is 9%. So we make decisions with the able. So I'll say let me give it a performance of 6.0 and a size of 14.0. I'll not change my mean time before failure, or commonly known as the MTBF. Then for Eka, I think it's a low-end product. I'll not change it. Then for Adam, so let me go back into my high-end. If you look at my product, Adam is in the high-end. Here, customers give a product with the ideal position of 43%. Age has an ideal position of 29%. Reliability has an importance of 19%, and price has an importance of 9%. So for this case, I'll give it 8.9, and size I'll reduce it to, let me say, 11.1. I'll not touch my mean time before failure again in this one. Then the next product is aft. Aft is in the performance market segment. So I'll come and look at aft. So this is aft. Here, reliability, customers, the reliability has an importance of 43%, ideal positioning 29%, price 19%, and age has an importance of 9%. So here I'll give it, so let me just give it 10.3 and a size of 14.7. You realize that I'm not changing the mean time before failure of my product. Then AGAP, if you look at AGAP, is, so it's a size segment. Sorry. AGAP, ideal positioning has an importance of 43. Age has an importance of 29. Reliability has an importance of 19%, and price has an importance of 9%. So AGAP, I'll give it a performance of 4.7 and a size of, let me just give it 10.0. Then our next step is we go into the marketing segment. So if I look at my reports, traditional price has an importance of 23%, and they want a product with a price of between 20 and 30. So I'll give it 27.5. Then for Eka, I'll give it 20. For Adam, I'll give it 37. Then for this other performance and size, I'll give it 32. Both of them, I'll give them 32. Then I'll recalculate. To make my product, to raise my customer awareness in accessibility and awareness, I'll have to invest in my promo budget. So I'll give it 2,000. So in short, this is 2 million, but I'll give it 2,000. So I'll give it 2,000 all in promo budget. Again, in sales budget, I'll budget 2,000, not 20. So it's all my products, I'll give them 2,000. In the forecasting, this is where I just focus the number of products that I believe I can sell in a given year. So for able, I can sell 1,650 units. Then for acre I can sell 2300. Then here I can sell 670. Here I can sell 650. Then here I can sell 567. Then I'll calculate. The next step is my production, so that I can get the number of units that I can produce. For this one, I'll produce, let me say, 1500, 1500 units. Yeah, so this is then for this one I'll produce 2280. No, so 2290. So let me just produce 2290. Yeah, 80. Let us just leave it at 80. Then for this one I'll produce 640. Then for this one I'll produce 600. Then for this one I'll produce 500. Now here we have, this one is so let me top it up to 510. Yeah, so in terms of automation, I'll have to raise my automation so that I can reduce labor cost, because as you reduce the prices, we want to increase our contribution margin, so we'll have to cut on the labor cost. So I'll give it 6. Here I'll give it 7. Then I'll buy 200 units. I'll buy capacity of 200 here. Yeah, so my total investment was, my maximum investment is 32,694, and I was able to use 32,400. So I think I'm good. So if I check at my balance scorecard, I have a balance scorecard of 52.6. Here my stock price is 1.5 out of 9. So days of working capital and leverage. Before you make any decision in your finance, you have to look at your balance scorecard, then the ratios. Here we see that my days of working capital are very minimum. So let me invest in my finance. The reason why I have not touched the human resource is that in this round we can't make any decisions in terms of investing in training hours and recruiting spend. So I'll just have to skip to finance. So for finance section, you can see that I'm having a deficit here. So I'll have to, let me just invest the maximum. I'll take 1884. Then for low end, for current debt, I'll take 5,000. So that's 9,000. Then I'll take 10,000 in terms of stock. So that I can balance my this finance. So that's my cash position in December of the next year is 19,295. So let me check at my balance scorecard. My balance scorecard is 56.6. I believe that in this round I'll not be making any profit, because I'm using all my finance to increase my company, and also to buy automation and capacity, which will require funds. So they are eating up on my profits. So that's my decision for round 1. Let's meet for round 2.